Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can change your email on the Ulta Beauty account. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is select a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.ulta.com. So once you type in this URL, you will end up on the Ulta Beauty website, where you need to simply click on the three lines on the left hand side of the corner once you are logged in. Then you need to click on your profile, which will lead to a series of options where you need to simply click on the manage account option. So once you click on the manage account option, once you tap on it, you will end up in a page where you can find your options to manage your account. After it loads, you can simply scroll down where you can find the edit option. So you need to tap on edit, and here you can get a drop down menu of several options where you can select the email one. So now to change your email, you need to simply type in your new email address and reconfirm it by confirming your new email through retyping the email once again. So once you do it, you need to simply tap on the save option and you are all done with a new email in Ulta Beauty. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.